Everyone. My name is Alex Muhanji. I'm the CEO of Comedy Store Uganda. I'm glad to be here. We're very proud as Comedy Store Uganda to be part of the Geosteady concert. It's not the first time. Every time Geosteady has a concert like this, we've always come out to support. Geosteady, for us as Comedy Store, is one of those artists that we say supported us when we were nowhere. Ngatutandika kukola way back in 2016. Geosteady is one of those artists nabatokirira nganga mwana sinafuna kasente naye nkusaba gwe nga kyali wange soko jo tuyimbireko nga Geosteady would leave his comfort zone and come and sing for us. So every time Geosteady has had the concert, we've always come out to support. So I'm very proud that even this time we've come through to support in any way that we can. So we're proud to be here and we thank you so much for coming through. Yatubasaba mwena on Saturday next week, February 14th. Please come here to Kampala Sheraton Hotel and we all support Geosteady. Thank you so much.